Hi, I'm Dr. Melissa Hakim, your healthcare advocate, and welcome to My Views from the Deck. So today's let's talk about preventing COVID-19 infection. We know about washing our hands and physical distancing, but did you ever wonder where that 6 feet rule came into being? COVID-19 is transmitted via respiratory particles, which means an infected person, when they speak, cough, or sneeze, release virus particles into the air. You need to come into contact with the virus particle, either breathe it in or touch a contaminated surface and then touch your mouth, your nose, your eyes to get the infection. Fortunately, the virus particles are pretty large and fall to the ground pretty quickly. And that's where that 6 feet rule has come into being, because scientists feel it's unlikely if you are 6 feet away from somebody to actually come into contact with these large particles. Yes, it is true there have been studies that show that small virus particles can stay up in the air for like 30 minutes, but these are very small particles. And when you walk, air moves around you, as do these viral particles. Like if you're in a park and you walk through a swarm of gnats, the gnats all kind of go around you. So you need to be at least 6 feet from people to prevent us from coming into contact with these large virus particles. When we go into stores, because occasionally we do need to do that, I'm in Pennsylvania, so you need to wear masks. Masks are good because there's a lot of asymptomatic people out there, people without symptoms who actually have the virus and who could spread it. When I'm talking about masks, I'm talking about the homemade masks. Let's leave the manufactured masks to the professionals that do need them. A homemade mask needs to be made out of material that's tight enough to keep the virus particles inside your mask, but allow airflow in so you could breathe. It needs to cover both your mouth and your nose. And when you're wearing your mask, don't touch it. Take it off by the outside. Experts are not recommending that you need to shower or wash your hair after shopping, because again, these small viral particles that you might come into contact with are really not going to stay on your clothes or your hair. They're also recommending that you remove your shoes. Try removing your shoes with your other foot and not use your hands. But most importantly, wash your hands after being in a store or outside. That's how we're going to stop this infection. We're going to stop the spread by physical distancing, keeping a minimum of 6 feet away, washing our hands, and masks. There is no foolproof ways, but those are the ways that we could help prevent this spread. Stay well, be healthy, be safe. Take care.